This has been fun. So, a customer complained that their rear window washer would not spray in the back window. After testing all the lines I could access, I decided to start removing the headliner. Got everything in the back torn apart, back part of the headliner's hanging loose. Get up to the front, get up to take this visor off, hanging my wires, so I haven't gotten that far. The wire connector is right there. Right there. But when I was going to go release that, I found that. That's the washer line. It was stuck between that bracket and the mount for the thing, sunshade, whatever. All that work for nothing. And now I get to botch it together. Oh, that's fixed. Shit. Now that all has to come back in.